Hey everybody, how's it going? So I went to Home Depot. I picked up a couple items from Home Depot. This is just going to be a quick tool haul. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so this is just a quick tool haul. I went to Home Depot and picked up two more of these little Milwaukee ratchets. I really like these Milwaukee ratchets. Here is the other one. Right here. It's definitely well used. Very dirty, very greasy. It's definitely not as bright red as these guys. Love this thing. Even though I stated in past videos that it's got a very old school, like 30-40 tooth neck, it is a workhorse. It works well. So I picked up two more. And one of the main reasons is I have all the bits inside the collar. I technically had the one that's missing is the Phillips. I threw this in the new 2000 Limited 4Runner, and because I wasn't done working on it, I just threw it in the center console. Figured, you know, I'll pull it out when I get the truck back. And the truck was picked up by a tow truck, and it was taken back to the dealership I bought it from because the brakes failed. Brake booster is what failed exactly. I knew what failed, but without a brake booster, you really can't slow the vehicle down. And when I got the truck back after it was the brake booster was replaced and the driver's side front ABS sensor was replaced, I got the truck back. And the weird thing is I left 3 or 4 bits in there, and this bit right here that I have in my hand was also in the truck. It was just left in the truck with the other one, and for whatever reason, whoever was working on the vehicle at that dealership, they didn't steal the Crescent bit, but they stole the Milwaukee bit. And you know, it's not really a big deal. It was just, it kind of gave me a reason to buy another one. I really like these. It's very easy to switch. It's easy to lock if you want to, you know, manual it. But it's been a really good tool. I've used it for tons and tons of things. But you know, just a quick video. There's the old one. It's actually a lot dirtier in person. I don't think the camera does it justice. It does look pretty dull. There you go. There's lots of dirt and grease on this. But just a quick video, small little tool haul. These are part number 48-22-2330. It looks like the Phillips are actually in the back right here. And then they put the square here, square number 2, or Robertson number 2. But for $14.97 that these are, they are great little ratchets. And I would highly recommend them. I sometimes put extensions on here to get into really tight spaces, like working in the inside of door panels. I actually had it set up like this on the inside of a couple door panels. just to get in there. And this section is a locking extension, so it actually locks, so the bit locks in. And this side is just magnetic, but it does the job. It does the job very well. But I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. I'll rip these out of a package in another short video. I've been trying to do shorter videos. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video, as always. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And got one last link at the top of the description below, which is an Ulsa Tools link. If you guys use it, it will get you 10% off your order, ulsatools.com. And it also kicks me back 10% off my next order, so if you use it, it does help me. All links are affiliate links. I do get a commission, a very, very small commission, but a commission when you guys use them. If you do use them, all the money that I make from the commissions goes straight back to the channel. The channel did not purchase these, I did. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. And I will see you guys on the next episode. Peace!